Okay, so we'll be following problems after you refresh about your previous topics. So these are the problems. Yeah. So yung for problem number 1. A closed vessel contains air at a pressure of 160 kPa gauge and the temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. The air is heated at constant volume. So binigay niya dito yung process. Volume constant to 60 degrees Celsius with the atmospheric pressure of 101.325 kPa. What is the final gauge pressure? Naka-gauge daw. Okay? When solving our problems, like ideal gas problems, ang ginagawa natin, nilalagay muna natin sila into what? Into absolute form. Since binigyan na tayo ng process dito, ang gagawin natin is ilista muna natin yung combined gas law. And that is P1 V1 over P1 equal to P2 V2 over P2. Now, ito yung binigay sa atin na process. Volume is constant. So, we should say na pwede natin i-cancel out tong volume na. And then, ilista natin sila, i-reform natin. P1 over P1 equal to P2 over P2. Now, anong hinahanap dito? The final gauge pressure. So, this one. Hinahanap si P2. Then, we could reform na yung equation. So, P2 in gauge, okay? Equal to P1, P2 over P1. Ngayon, ilista muna natin yung mga values nila. So, P1, that is 160 kPa gauge. Okay? kPa. Ang sinabi dito, the atmospheric pressure. So, lalagyan natin to ng atmospheric. Diba? In order to make it absolute, recall mo, P absolute is equal to pressure gauge plus P ATM. O, di lagay natin yung 101.325 kPa. Para maging absolute muna. Hindi mo siya pwedeng i-solve na ano. Hindi mo siya pwedeng i-solve na gauge kagad. Kung naka-gauge to, gagawin mong absolute muna dapat. So, T2, what is T2? That is heated at a constant volume 2, 60 degrees Celsius. 60 plus 273 to make it degree Kelvin. Divided by temperature 1, 30 degrees Celsius. Plus 273. Di magiging degree Kelvin. Now, we will cancel the same units. So, ang lalabas dito in absolute pa. Cancel natin to, cancel yan. So, ang matitira is kPa absolute. Calculate. 160 plus 101.325 times 60 plus 273 over 30 plus 273. The answer is 287.1988 kPa. Absolute pa yan eh. Ngayon, paano natin gagawin to na magiging gauge siya? In gauge daw eh. O di minus natin ng 101.325 kPa para make it gauge. Minus natin. Dito na lang. 101.325. The answer is 185.8738 kPa gauge. Kapag. That is for problem number 1. Problem number 2. 3 pounds. Okay. Tignan nyo ha. 3 pounds of mass of oxygen, 3 pounds. So, meron kang M, and then ito yung iyong item. So, O2. are contained at 25 psia and 125 psia absolute na and 100 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the volume of the container in cubic foot? R daw niya is 48.214 feet pound per pound degree runtime. Now, paano kung ano yan? Nagbigay siya ng R. Then, itong binigay niya is ideal gas equation. PV is equal to MRT. Check mo, itong hinahanap yung volume. Okay? Volume ang hinahanap dyan. So, lista natin, volume will be equal to MRT over T. Volume. In cubic foot, cubic foot. So, 3 pounds yung mass, 3 lb multiplied to R, that is 48.214 feet pound per pound degree runtime. And then the temperature, naka 100 degrees Fahrenheit pa yan. So, you have to add yung 460 kapag runtime. Okay? Degree runtime. Over the pressure. What is the pressure? 25 pound per inch squared. Ngayon, pag nakakita kayo ng pound per inch squared, lagi nyong gagawin dito, kasi lahat to naka-cubic foot na yan eh. In order to, cancel out yung inch squared, i-multiply nyo ito ng 144 inch squared over 1 feet squared. Yan yung conversion factor niya. Ngayon, cancel natin yung same units. Okay? Canceling same units, yung inch squared, yung pound, yung pound, yung pound dito, yung pound dito. Degree runtime. So, ano tira is isang feet, tapos 2 feet squared, feet cube na. Okay? So, the volume will be, pasok natin dito, 3 times 48.214 times 100 plus 460 all over 25 times 144. The answer is 22.4999. Approximately 23 cubic foot. Okay? That is for problem number 2. Yeah. And for the next problem, a 10 cubic meter tank contains air. Air na naman. Nagbigay ng volume. At 30 degrees Celsius may temperature. Ngayon, di ba, ang sabi ko sa inyo, kapag nagbibigay siya ng isang temperature, isang volume, isang pressure, then you could say na ang gagamitin mo dyan is an ideal gas law. Pero pag nagbigay siya ng dalawang pressure, dalawang temperature, or any two pairs dun sa tatlong parameter, pressure, volume, and temperature, ang gagamitin mo is combined gas law. Okay? Now, at a pressure reading of 1,500 kPa gauge, compute the mass of air in kilograms. Mass of air in kilograms. Now, hindi natin alam yung R ng air, pero sinabi dyan air. Okay? Dapat dyan, kabisado mo parati ito, the R of air, constant to, is equal to 0.28708 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Binigay na naman dito is ideal gas law, that is PV-MRT equation. Now, meron ka ng pressure in gauge, meron kang volume, meron kang R, ayun, meron kang T. Kailangan natin absolute. Now, you will solve for the mass of air. So, i-reform natin again yung equation. So, that is M equal to PV over RT. Now, the pressure is 1,500 kPa gauge. 1,500 plus 101.325 to make it absolute, kilonewton per meter squared. Tapos, multiplied by PV. That is 10 cubic meter over R. R ng air is always 0.28708 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Take note of this one. Multiplied to temperature, hindi pa siya absolute. So, 30 plus 273 degree Kelvin na. Ngayon, cancel natin yung same unit. Cancel natin same units, ha? So, kilojoule. Itong meter, may matitirang meter. Kilonewton meter is kilojoule. And then, degree Kelvin, ang tira is kilogram. So, the answer will be mass. So, 1.5 plus 101.325 times 10 over 0.28708 times 30 plus 27 and 3. Yun, 184 kilogram ng air. Yan. Okay? So you solve for the mass of air. For number 4, determine the length of a 2-meter diameter cylindrical vessel. Yan, palaisipan to. That contains oxygen gas, O2, at 20 degrees Celsius at a pressure of 301.325 kPa. The maximum mass of gas is 20 kilograms. Now, PVMRT relationships pa rin to. Ano ba yung R ng O2? Hindi natin alam. But, di ba, yung R, itong R na to is given here. R is equal to R bar over molecular weight. Oxygen gas pala yan. Molecular weight. Diatomic yan, ha, mamaya. Solve natin. So, given ka ng P, yes, kPa. Given ka ng total mass. Given ka ng T, and R is solvable. B is, binigay niya, cylindrical vessel. Ngayon, pag cylindrical vessel, di ba, going back to your geometry, yung cylindrical vessel mo, para makuha mo yung kanyang volume, that is equal to ano? Meron ka ditong radius. Meron kang height. Okay? Radius or kapag buo, diameter. Ayan, diameter na lang. So, that will be yung area of the base times height. Area ng base times height. Ngayon, the volume is equal to pi over 4 d squared times h. Ang hinahanap natin is h. Okay? So, we have to substitute yung value ng v dito. So, p multiplied to pi over 4 d squared h equal to m r t. Okay? Pero yung r natin is dito, r bar over molecular weight. Okay? Isa lang naman na sinasolve natin dito, h lang. So, ilipat ko na itong mga value nito dito. H will be equal to, ganito ako mag-solve eh. Lalo na sa algebra, kailangan yung equation mo na i-simplify mo to the simplest form para ma-solve mo yung nag-iisang value, hindi ka na magba-by parts. Kasi, pagdating nyo nga ng board exam, mas maganda na isang value, isang pindutan sa calcu, ma-solve mo agad. Okay? Pakita ko sa inyo. So, ito 4, multiply ko na dito. 4 MRT over. Yan. Pi d squared p. Ito na yung nakuha mong equation. Ngayon, sir, meron tayong R bar dito. R is equal to R bar over molecular weight. Ngayon dito, yung R mo kasi is equal to R bar. Ano ba yung R bar? R bar is equal to 8.3143 kilojoule per kilomole degree Kelvin. Ayan. So, ang molecular weight mo, the molecular weight ng ano, ng O2. Since ang O2, ano ba ang molecular weight ng oxygen? That is 16. Okay? Yan, oxygen. 16 ang molecular weight niya. So, diatomic mo multiply mo ng 2. So, O2 is equal to 16 times 2. That is 32. Yan. Masolve na natin to. So, going back, baba natin dito. Meron na tayong O2 ha. So, solve natin muna si R. That is R bar, 8.3143 over molecular weight 32. Kaya lang, ang lalabas ditong unit dapat kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Idiretso mo na kagad. Ganito. So, ito na yan ha. H is equal to 4. Ano ba yung M mo? Maximum 20 kilograms. MR. Ang R mo is 8.3143 over 32 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Ang temperature mo naman is 20 degrees Celsius. 20 plus 273 degree Kelvin ang labas niyan. Over. Okay, nasa baba. Pi d squared. Pi. Yung Kenyan diameter is 2 meters. 2 meters square. Tapos yung pressure. The pressure is 301.325 kPa. 0.325. Yung kPa is in unit kilonewton per meter square. Ngayon, cancel natin yung mga same units. The same unit, okay? Kilogram. Kilogram. Degree Kelvin. Degree Kelvin. Kilojoule is in kilonewton. Tama, may lalabas ditong M. Yung meter squared, yung meter squared. Ang matitira is M. So, the height for your cylindrical vessel is 4 times 20 times 8.3143 divide by 32 times 20 plus 273 times divide by pi times 2 squared times 301.325. The answer will be 1.6 meters. 1.6084 meters. That is the height of your cylindrical vessel. Ganyan lang kadali yun. I-reform mo lang na i-reform yung kanyang solution. Okay? And that is for problem number 4. And for problem number 5, find the change in internal energy of a 5 kilogram of air when the temperature changes from 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. Specific heat ratio is 1.4. CV is 0.7186. Tinuro kanina na change in your delta U is equal to mCV delta T. And the change in enthalpy is mCP delta T. Okay? Ganun yun. Wala naman binanggit dito na process. So, ibig sabihin, ito na yung gagamitin natin. Let us find na lang yung delta U tsaka delta H. Okay, kahit hindi hinahanap dyan yung delta H, hanapin natin. So, delta U is equal to M. Ano ba yung M dito binigay? M is delta U. M is 5 kilograms. Yung CV, that is 0.7186 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Tapos delta T, 40 minus 30. Kapag change in temperature, degree Kelvin na agad yan. Okay? Cancel natin same use, degree Kelvin, kilogram, kilogram. Ang lalabas kilojoule. So that is 5 times 0.7186 times 10. The answer is 35.93 kilojoules. Sir, paano naman kapag, hanapin natin si CP muna. CP, kung hindi natin alam CP is equal to, di ba ang K is equal to CP over CB? O di K times CB. Ano ba yung K natin? 1.4 times 0.7186 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Tignan nga natin kung equal siya sa 1. 1.4 times 0.7186. 1.006. Tama siya. So, this is equal to yung CP natin is 1.006 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. That is CP. Ngayon, hanapin natin si delta H. Delta H is 5 kilograms times 1.006 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin multiplied to 40 minus 30 degree Kelvin. Cancel the same units. Okay? You'll arrive with kilojoules. Now, 5 times 1, kahit 1 na lang yan, or 0.0066 pag nagsosolve kayo, times 10. The answer is 50.3. 50.3 kilojoules. Okay? That is for problem number 5. So, let us take another 5-minute break.